Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to another video. In today's one, we are doing a house reset because my mum and niece are coming to visit and I really wanted to clean and tidy the room that they're going to stay in and then a few other areas of our home. I only had a few hours to do this though. I'm resetting as much as I can basically. I hope you really enjoy this video. I hope it motivates you. Let me know what you think in the comments and let's get straight into it. Okay, so first thing this morning, I actually filmed myself making the kids breakfast, and today they were having turkey bacon bagels. I love this one because it's really quick. I think turkey bacon's like 2 or 3 minutes on each side under the grill, and I try to get protein into the kids in the morning, whether it is turkey bacon like this or eggs or a protein pancake or French toast, something like that. Giving them protein in the morning is going to keep them fuller for longer. It's going to give them steady energy, and then it also helps them focus. And when you're a teenager, it's even more important to have more protein for growth and all of that. So we try with the protein, and now I'm going to empty the dishwasher, get ready for the day, and then give the kitchen a bit of a wipe down, and then I'll show you the room that I'm going to be tidying up for my family to stay in.
Still got your pearls hanging by my bedside. Still got your lips on paper in a trash now.
So this is Jackson's bedroom. This is what I'm going to be cleaning today, but it actually turned into like a full declutter almost. So first up, I'm going to change the sheets on the bed. I'm going to put these in the wash, but I kind of want to put these ones back on the bed because they are really soft. They're like these cotton sheets and they're just really nice. So I was going to wash them, hang them out, put them all back on in the same day. So yeah, I'm just going to stick a wash on, and I'm going to put in a pod and a capful of the Unstoppables. I love these, especially for sheets. I just feel like it keeps them smelling really good for a really long time. I always use it for like sheets and towels, but then also sometimes I'll just put like a little bit in with clothes or like a little bit in with sports gear if it's really smelly, because I just find it keeps like the scent so well. Then I'm just putting a few books away. I'm going to put a few toys away as well, and then I'm just going to do a bit of a declutter of his desk. He likes to sit here and color, and he's also put all of his toys out on top, but I thought I would just give the inside of the drawers a quick tidy up. He's got like some notebooks, he's got some foam art, there was slime that had fallen in this drawer, so I picked all of that out, wiped it down, had a major sort out. But then also I called my sister on FaceTime while I was cleaning just so I could talk to her about Ren. Obviously is her daughter, who's my niece. She's coming over to stay, and she's coming with my mum, so she's coming without her mum. So I think for my sister it's like it's quite a big deal that someone is like taking her abroad. They're actually coming over for a singing competition. They're in the same choir. It's really cute. So they're coming to do that together, but my sister isn't coming. So I think I just wanted to talk to her and be like, it's gonna be fine, like don't worry, she's gonna have fun and all of that stuff. So we just like caught up, and then I was cleaning as well. I actually love to call my sister when I'm doing boring jobs like this because she lives like a whole ocean away. It's a really good chance for us to be able to catch up, have a good chat about what's going on, but then also it keeps my mind busy while I'm doing like a mindless job, if that makes sense. This is the boys' superhero costumes, and to be honest, they rarely wear them anymore. So a few of them I'm actually going to put on Vinted so that someone else can buy them for their kids and they can enjoy them at Christmas. And then I also went through all of his little toys. He's got these 4 baskets that hang in his room, and there's just so many random toys in them now. And I thought, oh, when my niece does come over, if she's jet lagged or she's bored and she actually wants to play with something, it would be nice if there were like some nice toys in these baskets for her to play with. So I'm just having a good clear out, chucking a few things. I'm putting all of the Nerf bullets back downstairs with all of the other Nerf guns and stuff, and just having a bit of a sort out. And then I'm also going to look in his other kind of hidden storage. He has a footstool, which also has some toys in it. And then he's got a gas lift bed, which I'm going to lift up and go through the toys as well. See if there's anything that we should donate, sell, give away that he doesn't play with anymore. It's always really good to do this before Christmas as well, because we need to make room for if he's getting more toys. So yeah, I'm just gonna look in this big footstool here, have a sort out. He's got like a telescope in there and stuff, and then also under his bed as well. Also going to organize Jackson's pajama drawers while I'm here, and I'm going to make his little pajama parcels. Every now and then I need to redo these because like they're all a big mess, but these are so cute and so easy. You know, when he gets out of the bath, he just runs, grabs a pajama parcel, puts it on, and I just think it looks so nice in the drawer. Look at all of his little pajamas lined up. I actually need to get him some more pajamas in the next size, but I am saving that for Christmas. I'm at that stage of the year where it's like, if he needs anything new, I'm like, that would be a good Christmas present. Like, he needs probably like a new hoodie, some new pants, some new socks, some new pajamas, and all of that. I am just going to wait for a couple of months, and then that can also be a Christmas present because it just bulks it all up. And I just love to give them stuff that they actually just need, like toothbrushes, toothpaste, all of that. Then I vacuumed his room, so that is now all done, except for I'll put the sheets back on in a bit. And now I'm just going to tidy up my vanity area. This is really, really messy, and it's been driving me a little bit crazy. I just want to give it a really good wipe down. My jewelry as well is still quite like it's all mixed up. I've got all of my summer jewelry, like these bits here. So I was just going to take it all off, reorganize it, put my summer stuff into my travel jewelry thing, which you can kind of see at the bottom of the screen there, and just give it a bit of a sort out, really, like clean up my earrings because everything is just a bit of a mess at the moment. So I'm going to do that, wipe everything down, sort out my sunglasses, and maybe put them away. I still wear them in the winter, but obviously just a little bit less. And yeah, just give it like a bit of a deep clean. Also, I feel like I should say I am not pregnant. I just noticed I have like a bit of a bump in this video. I'm just a bit bloated, guys. Honestly, it's like a food baby. Nothing else, so don't ask me. And also, I don't know if you can see, I've got like a clear film on my desk. I bought this clear mat on Amazon for this makeup area because when I'm doing makeup, especially with products that are in glass, I just really didn't like putting it down on the surface. Whereas with this, it's actually really nice, like for putting down your tea and coffee, for putting down all of your products, and then all of the mess is kind of on the mat and not on the marble top of the desk. So I gave all of that a really good wipe down, and now I'm going to actually wipe down the stone as well. But I like it so much. I also got one for Fraser's desk as well, and Caleb's desk for when he's drawing, just to protect it, but also just gives it a really nice, almost like cushion feeling on top of it. I'm also going to just wipe down my perfumes and things. I have this little mirrored tray, which I love, but it is actually a little bit dusty. So I'm just giving everything like a nice wipe down and organizing it. There was like random coins and bits. And then, yeah, I'm going to take all of my sunglasses off and put them in my wardrobe for the winter, because I wear them like a little bit less. And yeah, just wipe down all of this area, and it's going to feel all nice and clean. I feel like if this area is clean when you walk in our bedroom, the whole thing feels really nice and clean. And when it's messy, it also feels really messy. But yeah, I'm really pleased with how all of that is looking now. We also washed our rugs. We actually washed them yesterday, and then they were drying, so I just got Matt to help me put them back down. It's so handy. I actually spilt some curry sauce on them, so they're so easy to just pull up, wash. That is why I love these ruggable rugs. I've mentioned them before. I'm not sponsored by them. I just really rate their stuff because it's so easy. If you live in like a busy household, it's so easy to just pick up the rugs, wash them in the machine, put them back. I probably wash ours like every 2 or 3 weeks, but it's brilliant. And now it's a bit later on. You can tell it's dark out, and I'm just kind of resetting the kitchen. We've eaten at this stage. I'm just going to wipe down all of the surfaces. As I said, my mum and I keep saying my mum and sister. My mum and niece are coming over. How cute is this little tea towel bow? I wanted to show you guys how I do this. I saw this on a reel and it was so easy, so I thought I would try it, and then it actually worked really well. So you just take 2 tea towels that are the same color, you fold it up like that, and then you fold it the other way as well, and then that square is going to make the bow part. And then with the other tea towel, I'm basically just going to straighten it out, fold it in half, and then you kind of fold it into smaller sections to create the middle bit of the bow. So just like this, and then you put it underneath the first tea towel. You kind of want the bottom bits to match up, so I was just working out where it needs to sit. Just about there is perfect. And then you stick that into your oven handle, and I just think it looks really cute. I actually think this would work so well at Christmas if you had red tea towels and you had like 2 of these bows. I just think it's really cute, and you can still dry your hands on it and everything. But yeah, that is actually a hack that I saw that worked so well. I'm also going to just wipe down the rest of the countertops, kind of just, you know, moving everything, doing a bit of a deeper clean so it feels all nice and, you know, clean tomorrow. And then I'm also going to clear away some of these puzzles. We've recently really got into puzzles together. It's so great to get the kids off of the screen for a bit, but it's also really satisfying when we're doing a puzzle together. So we've been getting a lot of like 200-piece puzzles, 500-piece puzzles. We have bought one that's 1,000 pieces, but that is actually really tricky for the kids. So I think 200 pieces is perfect. And while we're doing this, Jackson was watching a film. I think it was Home Alone, maybe. So yeah, I'm gonna like let him carry on with the one that he's doing. I won't break it down obviously yet. And I'm just gonna kind of wipe down the table around him. And then we've also got a couple of coffee tables in our living area. I'm gonna wipe that down. They're black and they get really, really messy. They show up like every mark on them. So I tend to do this quite often. So yeah, I'm just going to wipe those down, and then I'm also going to sort out our couch and just make it look a bit more ready. It is like the comfiest couch to sit on, but because of that, it gets really, really squished up. Like you can obviously see in this video where Kiki sits, which was literally just there. She gets such a big dent in it. So yeah, I'm just sorting out the couch. Kiki's like, what are you doing to my couch? And then I'm going to come back into Jackson's bedroom. I'm putting up some artwork that he has specially made for his room. So I'm going to put that up. I was trying to sort out his little Jackson sign. mine. It's knitted and sometimes it gets a bit out of shape. So I'm going to put that there, and then I'm going to put the sheets back on because they're all dry. It was actually really nice and sunny out today, so I dried them outside, and now they're all clean. They smell amazing, like they smell of those Unstoppables. So I'm just going to redo the bed.
I bet you think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you, what things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out.
And while I was doing his bedding, I decided to make his summer duvet into his winter duvet. It's getting colder in the evenings here, and the duvets that we have for the kids are basically ones that they come with two inside, so they button together, so you can have a thicker one in the winter and then a thinner one in the summer, and they are great. So I've done that now, so it's all done for winter. I need to do the other two boys now, but yeah, that is everything all done. Jackson came in and he was all excited that his room was looking all clean and his toys were all organized and everything, and it is all ready for my family to come and stay. So yeah, I hope you really enjoyed this video. I definitely will vlog while they're here, so I will share that with you guys very soon. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye.